Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable is Mrs. Eva Nurmayasari MPD, who is a lecturer of academic speaking. Let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Nur Anissa, and I'm from 4A class. In this opportunity, I would like to present a thesis that the title is The Use of Instagram to Improve Students' Writing Skills in Descriptive Text, a pre-experimental study at the 10th grade of SMAN Tuwajo. This thesis wrote by Nawira Ayu Insani. In my presentation today, it will cover of background research, research question, research objective, review of related literature, theoretical framework, research hypothesis, research methodology, finding, discussion, conclusion, and suggestion. Nowadays, we live in an age of globalization. In this era, people are very dependent on technology. This makes technology a basic need for every community. In the world of education, today the teaching and learning process does not only focus on delivering information collected by classroom, but in accordance with the times that social media requires educational processes done in another virtual room. Furthermore, in this new era of technology, social network sites has become a fashionable tool in teaching and learning. Therefore, the teachers should prepare a good learning models and learning technique. It makes the students will be curious and interested to study English, especially in writing skills. And students often have troubles in writing descriptive text. The difficulties are the lack of motivation, the frequency practice is not enough, and learning method is not correct. Based on the background that I told before, the problem of the study or research question is, does the use of Instagram improve students' writing skills in descriptive text? And based on problem statement or research question, the research objective is to find out the use of Instagram can improve students' writing skills in descriptive text. There are some related theories and literature to the problems of the study in order to give relevant knowledge. First, Sophia on 2018 in her thesis Instagram used to enhance ability in writing descriptive text found that Instagram is an effective and suitable strategy to use in English as a foreign language learning setting, particularly in learning writing descriptive text. Second, Zidni on 2017 did a research action on improving students' writing skill using Instagram in grade 10th of Science 5 at SMAN 5 Yogyakarta, found that the action were success to improve the students' writing skill. And the last, Listiani on 2016 conducted a study about the effectiveness of Instagram writing compared to teacher-centered writing to teach recount text to students with high and low motivation at the 8th grade student Kesatriawan Semarang, found that there was an obvious effect of using Instagram on improving the students' progress in writing recount text rather than using teacher-centered writing. Next point is theoretical framework. There are three theories: writing, descriptive text, and Instagram. First, writing. Writing is one of the language skills besides listening, speaking, and reading that must be mastered by English learners. According to Shatriana on 2018, writing is a language skill. It is used to communicate indirectly, not face-to-face with another person, but through the writing media. Second, descriptive text. According to Siahan on 2015, descriptive text is a text which is intended to describe a particular person, place, or thing. The schematic structure of descriptive text is divided into three: identification, description, and evaluation. Third, Instagram. According to Instagram Press on 2015, Instagram is one of the most popular social networking sites in the world with over 300 million active users. The focus of Instagram is for users to post individual images or videos with a description on their profile. This research has two hypotheses: null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Null hypothesis is there is no significant difference between the student's ability in writing descriptive text before and after treatment by using Instagram. Alternative hypothesis, is there is a significant difference between the students' writing ability in writing descriptive text before and after treatment by using Instagram. This research used pre-experimental research that used quantitative to analyze data. The subject of this research are 25 students from one class at the 10th grade of SMAN Tuwajo. The research instrument used writing test and treatment. The data was collected from instrument informed two kinds of tests, pre-test and post-test, and the quantitative data is analyzed using SPSS. The findings of pre-test are: the mean of the total pre-test score was 66.84, the minimum was 55, maximum was 81, and standard deviation was 6.926. The highest percentage of the students, 60%, was in fair classification. Some of the students got poor ability and only a very small percentages were good in writing, and there is no students got either very good or very poor category. The findings of post-test are: the mean of the total post-test score was 79.36, the minimum was 70, maximum was 87. Almost all of the students were in good category or have good writing ability. There were very small percentages that got fair category, just 4 students, and there was no students who were in very good category as well as poor and very poor. Next point is discussion. Before treatment, majority of students, 60%, was in fair classification. Based on the characteristic of the components of writing, students get problems to write specific of content. From the aspect of vocabulary, the utilization of the choice words and phrases are less precise and vocabulary was low. After treatment, almost the students were in good category or have good writing ability. There were very small percentages that got fair category. There were just 4 students. The use of Instagram can improve writing ability of students, especially in descriptive text. Based on the findings and discussion, it can be concluded that first, the use of Instagram can improve students' writing skills, particularly in writing descriptive text at the 10th grade of SMAN Tuwajo. Second, based on mean score from pre-test to post-test, the students' mean score of pre-test was classified as fairly classification, while that of post-test was higher than mean score of pre-test, which was classified as good category. Third, based on the data analysis, the t-test was value higher than the t-test table value. It means that null hypothesis was rejected and alternative hypothesis was accepted. The suggestion of this thesis are: it is recommended for English teachers to use the Instagram application as a method. The other researchers who would like to conduct similar research, they are suggested to apply the technique in different level of the students and should be creative and innovative to modify the activities of the technique in using Instagram to improve students' writing. That's our presentation from me. Hopefully what I have said is gainful for us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.